2022. Kung may bibigay ka lang po sa akin.
Opo, well, there's a lot of people on the list. I think we will nandiyan ka kung sa list na natin ng music laban.
This was a third edition of the music laban. Uy, naalala yung music laban mo.
Ito na po yun, but it's gonna be bigger. Sorry, but, I don't wanna miss out on anyone. We have Carla Faye, DJ Carla Faye. We have Sanet Santuari. We have Dilau. We have Al James. We have, of course, our brother, Yolo Pascual. And then, of course, we have Casey Tandingan. And, of course, my idol, Bamboo.
Wow!
So ito po, thank you. It's a very big of an anniversary because not only is it the Music Laban and actually the third already, but it is also the 85th founding anniversary of Quezon City. So it's a tight partnership with Mayor Joy Belmonte because obviously with the last Music Laban also that we've had, it's been a very big impact to the youth as well. To the rest na rin po, hindi na rin mga youth, po. And everyone enjoyed it. So we just wanted to pursue for another year to give fun to the community and to the whole of Quezon City.
Same pa rin po sa QC Circle.
Opo. Ngayon po, it's all congressmen, vice mayor, and mayor.